Okay guys, we're going to talk about complex carbohydrates and just some of the things that I like to use for flavor in some of the meals that I have in your meal plans. So first things first, we're going to just move over here. These are the oats that I use in the breakfast in the morning. So these ones are the large flake oats. It says ready in 90 seconds, but even the ones that say 10 minutes really cook really fast, so you don't have to worry about that. I opened up those breakfast containers that I had in the last video because one of the things that I do add sometimes to it is just a quick dash of the no sugar added syrup. So it does have a sweetener in it, just a little bit though. As long as you're not overdoing it, it's okay. You just don't want to have a whole thing in one day. Also, you could sweeten it with a tablespoon of the no sugar added jams, and you can find these in so many different flavors. I think I've got every one of them in my fridge. They're good for your toast and good to add to oatmeals as well. So when you guys are measuring this stuff out in the morning, you want to do a 1/3 cup uncooked, and then that's going to expand. All of these measurements though are the cooked measurements except for those. The quinoa and the pastas and your rice, you want to make sure that you cook it and then measure it. So it's a 1/2 cup serving for those. Right here's the Greek yogurt that I've recommended that you guys buy. This is the one that I buy. It's just a plain Greek yogurt, so it's not vanilla, nothing flavored, there's no sugar. It actually has a similar taste to sour cream until you sweeten it with, say, peanut butter or one of the other ones that I showed you guys already. But make sure that you're really paying attention to that and you're not grabbing the flavored ones because you're going to get a lot of sugar in those ones. Here's the cottage cheese. So I use both of those for snacks during the day. Add some fruit to the Greek yogurt or add some veggies to the cottage cheese and you're easy and set. These are the cheeses that I usually sprinkle on top of my salads in the day. So this is just some goat cheese. This is a flavored raspberry one, really good if you want something a little bit more sweeter or if you have some berries in your salad. And this is just a, what is that one? Fine herb. So just a tablespoon of that, add it to the top of your salads, or you can put it with chicken too where you see it in your recipes. And then the light laughing cow. Make sure this one that I grabbed accidentally, I believe, is just a regular laughing cow, but you can get light laughing cow also. But I mean, this is 25 calories for one wedge, so go ahead and have this. This is no problem at all. Feta cheese also is a great one for salads. Make sure that you are measuring with your carbs because you can make a big mistake if you eyeball it. It's easier, I find, a little bit to eyeball the meat portions, but with the carbohydrates, I do recommend after it's cooked to go ahead and measure it before you put it on your plate. So if you guys have any questions after watching this video, please don't hesitate to ask. Just a reminder to not comment on the recipes that you see on the database page, just because it pops everything out of order and it'll be a real mess when you guys go and try and find your recipes. But any of these things in the videos, you can comment on those and that's no problem at all. We'll talk to you guys later. Have a good first couple of weeks and I will see you guys soon.